Welcome dear students. Today our topic is exercise 3.2 data handling. The name of the chapter class 7 subject mathematics. So in this exercise we shall discuss three main points: mean, median and mode. So these are the three main points in this exercise we are going to discuss. So first of all, let us try to understand the meaning of these three. First of all, mode. What is the meaning of mode? M-O-D-E. Mode. The mode is the set of observations, is the observation that occurs most often. Okay, the mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. So let us try to understand this with one example. Find the mode of the given set of numbers 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. How to find the mode of this data? First of all, arranging the numbers with same values together. So first of all, 1, 1, 3 times 1 is coming, so we are writing them together. Thereafter 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 times 2 is occurring here, repeating here, so we are writing them together. Thereafter 3 occurs only one time, 4 occurs 2 times. So what is the mode? Mode of this data is 2 because it occurs more frequently than other observations. Why 2 is the mode? Because 2 is occurring 4 times most often. Okay, 1 is occurring 3 times, this is less than 2. 3 is occurring 1 time, this is less than 2. 4 is occurring 2 times, this is also less than the occurrence of 2. So 2 is the mode. Okay, so how to find the mode of large data? For example, suppose we have one example, example number 5. Following are the margins of victory in the football matches of a league 1, 3, 2, 5, etc. Find the mode of this data. So first of all, how to solve this question? We arrange the data in tabular form. So first of all, 1, 2, 3, these are the margins written in the left hand side. Tally bars mean how many time 1 is occurring. This is 5 times, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. 2 is occurring 14 times. 3 is occurring 7 times. 4 is occurring 5 times. 5 is occurring 3 times. 6 is repeating 2 times. So which one is occurring most often? 14 is highest. So what is this 14? 2 is occurring 14 times. So 2 is the mode in this question. Okay, now coming to the question number 1 of the exercise. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students are given as follows: 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. Find the mode and median. Are they same? This is the question. First of all, we write here score. Score, they are given First of all, the smallest is 5, and then its frequency. Frequency mean how many times this is occurring. Okay, 5. How many times telemark? Before that, we can put here telemarks. Telemarks. Then we write frequency. Frequency. Okay. So 5, after 5 we have 10, 9, then 10, then we have 12, thereafter we have 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, after 20 we have 23, 25, 23, 24, 25, right? So how many times? First of all, we see now 19. 19 mean one time, 25 one time, 23 one time, 20 one time, 9 one time, 20 second time, 15 one time, then 10 one time, 5 one time, 16, this is the 16 one time, 25, this is 25, 20, this is 20, 24, this is 24, 12, this is 12, next is 20, this is 20. So what is the frequency? 1, it's also 1, this is also one time, this is also one time, one time, one time, one time, this is repeating 4 times, one time, one time, two time. So most occurring frequency, this is the mode. Mode is equal to, what is mode? Mode is 20. So this way, from here we find the mode. Now first question is complete. Find the mode. Next, in order to find the median, what we do? To find the median, first of all, we arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, how to arrange them in ascending order? First of all, writing 5 one time, 9 one time, 10 one time, 12 one time, 15 one time, 16 one time, 19 one time, 20 4 times, 20, 20, 20, 20, right? Next is 23 one time, 24 one time, 25 two times. Okay, now find the term which is in the middle. Which is in the middle. So first of all, we leave here, we go where? To right side. One term, two term, three terms, four terms, five terms, six terms. Up to here we have six terms. This is seventh term. From here also one term, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to here, 7 terms from left side, 7 terms from right side. Now this term comes in the middle. So median is equal to 20. So in this question, mode is 20, median is also 20. Are they same? Yes. In this question, mode is equal to median. In this question, everywhere this is not true. Now coming to question number 2, the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players are given by this data. Find the mean, mode and median. Are the three same? So let us discuss them. Solution. First of all, how to find mean? Mean, as we know that this mean adding all the data, 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 10 plus 50, after this is 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15. Whole divide. How many observations are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 players. So dividing them by 11. So adding these observations, what is the answer? The sum of all these numbers is equal to 429. Divide this 11. So finally what is the answer? 11 3s are 30. 3, next is 11 9s are 99. So this is the mean. So first task is over. Find the mean. So we have this value. 39 is the mean. Now what is the next work? Our next work is find the mode. So for mode, what we do? First of all, we write the scores, runs, then tally marks, then frequency. Okay, so first of all, the smallest number is 6. So next, after 6, this is 8. After 8, we have 10, then 15. After 15, we have 50, then 80. After 80, we have 100, then 120, 100, 120. Okay, so now what are the tally marks? 6. First of all, we have this 6, so put here 1. Next is 15, write here 1. Then 120, we put here 1. Then 50 in front of 51. 100, here this is 100. 80, this is 80. Okay, next is 10, so this is 10. Next is 15, this is 15. Next is 8, this is 8, next is 10, this is 10, this is next is 15. So how many times 6 is repeating? One time. 8 is repeated one times. 10 is repeated two times. 15 is repeated three times. 50 is repeated one time. 80 is repeated one time. 100 repeated one time. 120 repeated one time. So what we see, which is most frequently repeated observation? 3 is the largest observation. So from this what we say, mode is equal to this number 15. 15 is the mode. So in this way we have got the answer 15. 15 mean mode is 15. Okay, is mean and mode same? No, mean is 39, mode is 15. Now lastly find the median. So how to find the median? This is the last part. First of all, what we do, we arrange the observations in ascending order. So first of all we write 6 one time, 8 one time, 10 one time, 15 10 two times, 15 three times, 15 15 15. Then we have 50, right? Next we have 80, next is 100, last is 120. Okay, now which is in the middle? So here, from here we go one term, two term, three terms, four terms, five terms. Okay, from here also we go five terms, one term, two terms, three terms, four terms, five terms. Up to here we have five terms. This is in the middle. This is in the middle. So middle term is called median. Median is equal to 15. So what is the answer? 15. 15 is the median. So what was the question? Are the three same? So what is the answer of this question? No. The three are not same. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Now coming to question number 3, the weights in kilogram of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35. This way weights are given. Number 1, find the mode and median. Number 2, is there more than one mode? So let us try to solve this question. Solution. First of all, how to find the median? How to find the median? This is my question from you. So first step is arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order. So here ascending order mean which one is smallest number? 38, 35, 32. So 32 is smallest. After 32, which comes after 32? This is 35. Okay. After 35, this is 36. Next number is 37. After 37, we have 38. Okay. After 38, which number is coming? 40. 38 is coming 2 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. 38 is coming 3 times. Next number is 40. After 40, this is 43. How many times? 42. After this, 42 is there. Next number is 43. Again 43. Again 43. 3 times. After 43, we have 45. Next number is 47. Next number is 50. Let us count how many students should be there. 15 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we have wrote all the students. The weights of all the students in kilogram, they are written in ascending order. So now firstly what we do? We take one here, one here, second from last, second from first, up to 3, up to 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. So this way 7 numbers from left side, 7 numbers from right side. This is the middle term. This is the middle term, and this is called median. This is called median. And what is median now? 40. So 40 is the median. Okay, so this way median we have got the answer. Okay, what is the next part? Next part is how to find mode. How to find mode. Mode means the most repeated, most frequently occurring observation. So here 38 is occurring mostly, that is 3 times. Moreover 43 is also occurring 3 times. Most occurring frequency. Most occurring frequency. So we say mode is equal to 38, 43. Okay, what is mode? Mode is 38 as well as 43. Mean to say there are 2 modes. So answer to part number 2. Is this clear? Is there more than one mode? Yes, there are more than one mode. Okay, now coming to next question. Now in our question number 4, what is the question? Find the mode and median of the data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. So how to solve this question now? First of all, arrange in increasing order. Increasing order. That means the smallest number is 12, one time, two times. After 12, we have 13, one time, two times. Thereafter, we have 14, one time, two times, three times. 14, 14, 14. After 14, this is 16. Thereafter, we have 19. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So, this means 12 is occurring two times. 13 is occurring two times. 14 is occurring three times. 16 one time, 19 one time. So which one is occurring most? This is most occurring frequency. Therefore, mode is equal to 14. What is the mode? Mode is 14. So first of all, this way we have calculated mode. We have calculated mode. Now what is the second work is median. For median, what we do? First of all, again we write the terms in ascending order. 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 16, 19. Okay. Now we proceed from left side. One term, two term, three up to 3. 1, 2, 3 up to 3. 4 terms, 4 terms. Okay. Up to here. 4 terms are here to left side. 4 terms are there to right side. And this is the middle term. This is in the middle. And middle term is called median. Middle term is called median. What is median? 14. Median is 14. So this is the answer of the question. Okay. Now coming to last question of the exercise. Tell whether the statement is true or false. Number 1. The mode is always one of the numbers in the data. So its answer is yes. True. Number second part, the mean is one of the numbers in a data. So this is not true. False. This is false, because the mean can come in decimals also, which may not be the observation. Number 3, the median is always one of the numbers in a data. This is also true. Number 4 is the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. So how to find mean? First of all, we add all these numbers. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 9, 30, 30 plus 12, 42. 42 plus 13, 55. 55 plus 9, 55 plus 9, 64. So how many observations are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We divide this by 8. So what is the answer? 8 is the answer. So what is the mean? 8. But what is given in the statement? 9. So in statement mean is 9 is false. What should be in place of 9? 8 should be there. Okay. So that's over. Thank you very much.